Can you consume dairy products from dead animals? Barakallahu feekum.
Whatever is dead, now this is weird. How would I milk that dead animal, assuming that it has milk in it that can come out? Anything in that dead animal is najis. So the milk, when it died, while it was still, I forgot the word. I had it, but I don't know what it's called. I'm not a farmer. Whatever it had in it is najis because it's dead. While it was alive, it was pure and tahir and good to consume.
Okay, I need to provide some clarity on this. When it comes to Islam, some people, they may not have a proper idea of it, and they refer to for example, Taliban, right? They may say that these are the ones who are representing Islam, so I don't want to learn about Islam. And as far as Taliban, they usually they tell the women to dress up or to cover yourself and all that. So I'm just wondering, when you hear Taliban, right, are they true representatives of Islam? Are these people that really are steadfast on the deen, or are they just people that distract or misrepresent Islam?
I don't know anything about them except shows us CNN, Fox, BBC, and the secular Arab news agencies, which definitely they would have hidden agendas like mountains. So I don't believe what they say because I know that they're blatant liars. They make their living out of lying. I can see they're Islamophobe. I can see their lies about Islam or anything that's related to Salafiyya or to Islam or Aqeedah or Tawheed, and how they would like to make any Muslim a criminal by default. So I don't have any crystal clear idea about this group. What I know is that you cannot represent a religion by a particular group and judge that religion from that group. I wouldn't go to Northern South Ireland and see the fighting between them and say that, oh, Christianity is a religion of violence. I wouldn't go to judge people by the actions of the a religion, and judge a religion by the actions of the followers. I would judge the religion by their sources. So you want to judge my religion as Islam? Look at the Qur'an, look at the Sunnah, and look at the vast majority of Muslims worldwide. Don't come to a minority and say that they represent Islam because they do not.